Assalamu alaikum learners, and welcome to second lesson of science. Our today's topic is identify properties of materials and describe. Today is Monday, 9th of November 2020, and the value of the month is respect, the way of treating or thinking about something or someone. And your learning outcomes are to identify the properties of materials and sort things into groups based on their properties. Let's have a look at your keywords. On number 1, we have properties. Number 2, rigid. Number 3, flexible. Number 4, bendy. Number 5, smooth. Number 6, rough. Let's recall what you have studied in your previous lesson. We studied about materials, some old and some are modern, that are now replaced by modern materials such as plastic. So can you identify which of these are modern or old materials? Let's have a look at the first picture here. We have iron made of metal. Yes, you're right, it's old style. Then we have a tub made of wood. That's old too. Then we have a cordless telephone. What do you think? And it's made of plastic. Yes, you're right, it's modern. Then we have an iron box made of plastic material as well. What do you think? Is it old or modern? Well done, it's modern. Then we have a big camera right next to the iron. What do you think about this camera? Is it old or modern? Well done, it's old and it's heavy. Then we have a telephone. What do you think about this telephone made of metal? Well done, it's old as well. So now, with the time, everything has changed. The old materials were much heavy and difficult to carry, and now they are replaced by modern material that's plastic and easy to carry and manage. Let's identify properties of these materials. These kind look different, but they both are made of the same material. There is more than one type of metal, learners. They both are made of metal, but these metals are different. Do you know any other material that is also metal but have different name? Let me give you an example. Copper, iron. All of these are different types of material. Can you think of some more materials that are metal but have different names, just like copper and iron? Pause the video and think about it. Let's identify what materials you can see here in the picture. There are different types of things made of same material. Look at the table. It's wood. And then we have log from the tree. That's also wood. So they both look different, but the material is same. Then we have cushion and fabric. They both are the fabric shirt and fabric cushion. They both use same material, that's fabric. Then we have key, a ring, and a safety pin. What do you think what materials used to make these items? You're right, it's made of metal. So you can see, learners, you can easily identify different things, but you can see they all are made of similar materials. Why do these things look different, although they are made of the same material? Can you tell? And think about this one. How did you identify different types of metal, fabric, and wood? You can use your senses to explore. Sometimes it's easy to identify a material just by looking at it. And sometimes you can use another sense, your sense of touch, to feel different objects, and then you get to know what materials are used. You can also refer to this page on Pearson Now, last question for you. Spot difference between these materials. There are different things made of same materials. List things made of same materials. Look around the kitchen. We have the chimney over the stove made of metal. The stove is also metal. The tap is metal. Over the tap I can spot a light. Maybe that's metal. Can you spot some other things? Enjoy spotting, and I will see you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. Last but not the least, learners, here I have something for you. I forgot to mention it. You can always go online and enjoy playing games on properties of materials. Have fun!